My name is Dr. Harry Witchell, and this is a screencast explaining how to answer an exam question that asks you to draw the action potential of a neuron. When drawing an action potential for an examination, you will need to show both the units and the approximate values. Start by drawing some axes, as shown here. You should label the axes and also include the units. The y-axis is membrane potential, and it is measured in millivolts, which is abbreviated MV. The x-axis is time, and it is measured in milliseconds, which is abbreviated MS. The axes shown here have the x-axis intersect the y-axis at 0. To draw an action potential, first show the resting membrane potential, which is at minus 70 millivolts. Don't forget to label the axis showing this value. Then the voltage should go upward at a nearly vertical diagonal. This line should stop at plus 40 millivolts. This is the depolarization phase. The next phase is the repolarization. It goes down at a nearly vertical diagonal. Note that the link between the depolarization and repolarization should be rounded. The link should not be a sharp corner. The time duration between the beginning of depolarization and when repolarization returns should be approximately 2 milliseconds. Remember to label the x-axis so that it shows the duration of the action potential clearly. Repolarization should continue downward beyond the resting membrane potential and should go down to approximately minus 85 millivolts. This is the beginning of the after hyperpolarization phase. The after hyperpolarization is the basis of the refractory period, when no other action potential can be triggered. The after hyperpolarization lasts for approximately 2 milliseconds, and it looks like a shallow, round dip that ends by returning to the resting membrane potential. You then draw the membrane potential holding steady at the resting membrane potential. That completes the drawing of the action potential of a neuron.